Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 182 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be trying out this NYX Holographic Halo Cream Eyeliner. And I have it here in the shade Palisade Paradise. And this is actually a product that my boyfriend's sister Lisa gave me a while ago and I've been holding on to and I'm finally trying it out. I'm so excited. So thank you so much, Lisa. But so on my channel already, I've tried out the NYX Holographic Halo Setting Powder, and I really like it. So if you want to see that video, I'll link it down below. I'm actually a big fan of holographic makeup. I love the sheen of it, and I think it's so fun. I also really love metallic makeup, so it makes sense that I like holographic makeup. And I think that NYX usually does such a great job with holographic shades, which this actually comes in 5 different colors. And online at Ulta, it retails for $10.99. So I will also link this down below if you're interested in purchasing it. All right, so just peel off the plastic. Oh my gosh, this looks like such a pretty color. It's like a peachy gold shade. Let's swatch it. When I do draw on eyeliner, I like to use a tiny angled brush, so that's what I'm going to be using today. Oh, this is like more firm than I was expecting. It's very solid. It's like a clay. I actually have to swatch it with my finger, I think, because I couldn't dig up much from this brush. All right. Can we see the shade in the camera? It swatches very true to how it looks in the pot. A very pretty pinky peach with a gold holographic sheen. Very pretty. I just don't know, since it's so hard and it's difficult to get on my brush, I don't know if I'm going to be able to use this as an eyeliner. I may end up using it as an eyeshadow. I'm going to start out trying to do a line though. I'm going to see if I should add a little bit of liquid. I'm really not able to get a line at all, so I'm going to try applying it all over my lid. Okay, there we go. I think that it did help that I added a tiny dash of liquid and mixed it in, because it was just so solid of an eyeshadow. But now I'm able to apply it, and it is blending out. It takes a little bit of effort, but it does blend out and leave such pretty sparkle. So now I have a thin layer. I want to see if I can build it up anymore. Okay, so the texture of this is very interesting. It's not as liquid as I expected. And it's not very creamy either. It's described as a cream eyeliner, but it's very hard and very clay-like. I wish it was a little bit softer, and then I think it would have that perfect texture to get a line. But as a lid shade, I think this is great. I think this would look very nice on top of other eyeshadows because it is kind of sheer. Even though I tried building it up, it just kind of gathers and is kind of heavy. But I think to add that pop of shimmer and sheen to an eyeshadow, this would look really good. I'm surprised that even though it is very like thick, it doesn't feel that way on my eyelid, and it's not creasing, which I kind of expected it to, since I do have so many lines on my eyelid for it to crease in. And it does go on pretty sticky and took a while to dry down, but now it's feeling dry and actually barely feels like I have anything on my eyelid. So I really wish that I would have been able to use this as an eyeliner and not just as an eyeshadow, because I think having a beautiful line of this peachy gold shade would have been so pretty, and I was really looking forward to adding that into some makeup looks. but that's okay because I'm still able to incorporate this really pretty color and holographic sheen. Since I'm really getting into the holographic makeup, I'd love to know in the comments down below if you have any suggestions for good holographic makeup products for me to try out. Try and show a very zoomed in view of what this eyeshadow actually looks like. Something that I've been loving doing lately on my channel is trying to find other uses for products when they don't go as planned or do what they say they're intended for, because I feel like I can always find another way to use them. Like, could this work as a highlighter? Maybe under the eyebrow? Maybe even in the center of my lips? I think there could be a lot of fun uses for this, and I'm excited to continue to use it and figure out what other ways I like wearing it. Oh my gosh, I was just playing around, was like, would this work on my lips? Oh my gosh, I actually love, love, love how this looks on my lips. It's like a really perfect lip shine color as well. Ooh. And I don't have any product on my lips right now, but this on top of like a matte lipstick, a light pink lipstick, I think would look so pretty. I think that would be a really fun video, like other ways to use your makeup products. Ooh, yes, I love this. This is so pretty. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.